Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a dashed connector into your diagrams on Google Drawing. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to that example drawing here, and as you can see, these two shapes of the diagram, a circle or an ellipse with the triangle here, are connected through these two connectors. So guys, you can, for instance, customize these connectors. Let's say you have inserted one by clicking to insert here, line, and then you can choose one of these connectors and connect your both shapes here like this. Now as you can see, let me switch to the select tool. As you can see, the appearance looks like that of the connector, and you can customize that. Left click into the connector, and here at the top you can customize it as any other shapes of your diagram. Change the color of the line. You can also adjust the thickness, right? So it's basically the same customization and formatting tools you will find on most Google applications like Google Sheets, Google Docs, Slides, and so on and so forth. But the connector customization differs a bit because you can also add, for example, arrowed line ends here, and also change the line dash by choosing, for instance, a dotted line or a dashed line or a dotted and dashed line like this. So you can do that with any of these. And yeah, create a connector like that to make it distinguished from the other connectors of your diagram. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.